Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy ENTHUSIAST 254. Tune in for another one. See, I got them thrushes on the ground. Man, got them cigarette. Woo! Alright, I apologize for the fan and shit. They got done wrestling with this bitch. Goddamn G-body, boy. I swear to God. I would never get another one, bro. I would never. I love it. It's a love-hate relationship. Anyway, got a transmission out. As you can see here. What I noticed when I took the bolts out was this. When I took the bolt out, this came off. Like it broke the case or something. I don't know what that's about. Of course, I'm gonna have to take my AN fittings off of there, put them on the new transmission. Also, this kick down joint that's gonna have to go to the new transmission. It's an old torque converter. I don't know how to really read or see what the hell was going on with it, but yep, out of there. We're gonna have to drain that. Lucky for me, I still got my fluid draining things. So I like the other one because it got more holes in it, but this might do for now. Take that some bitch, flip it sideways. Hold on. There you go. Let that bad boy drain. Good times. A part of me also wonders, could it just be the torque converter? I don't know. I do not know. Meantime, in between time, so I got the old cross member down. We bought that one from Jegs a while back. So this would be our new cross number. kind of compared to that one. Yeah, so that'll be the new one. That'll go right up in there, huh? Good times, good times. So let me kind of test fit the cross member in there, see what it's gonna look like. Alright, so got the cross member sitting up in there. I got one bolt on this side. The holes, like, they're cut kind of long ways, but not quite enough. So, like, we'll be good on this side. However, on the opposite side, I have a little bit of an issue. Just a little bit, not much. Let me show you what we got going on. All right. So if you look very closely, like it's just off by just a little bit. Let me turn the light on for you. Alright, so there you go. Light on, you can see a little bit better difference between the two. So look in that hole. Like I said, well, maybe it's the holes on the other side that are like that. I think the holes on the other side are long to allow for play, but you come up just a tad short here. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to open that hole up to be at least as wide as the hole, if not a little bit longer, so we got some room to play with. Same thing for this one. Other than that, I mean, it should line up, do stuff this one just fine. So I think I remember somebody saying they had to mod it or whatever, so not a surprise. Yep. Yeah, so that should be fairly simple. Put a step bit on it, open them up, and then we good with that. So I'll put the part numbers for that transmission cross member in the comments below. But y'all let me know what you think. I think it looks pretty good up there. I think it looks pretty good. Pretty good. So we'll see what's cracking when we come back. Make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe button, share button, all the buttons. Just smash them all. It's your boy LS254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.